Are you looking for the best 3D printers? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FlashForge AD5X 3D Printer. FlashForge AD5X with intelligent filament system allows your printing in 4 colors and will be about to achieve different types of filament combinations. With auto filament loading/unloading and up to 4 kg filament auto refill function, AD5X will reduce the burden of manual material replacement, great ideal for commercial industrial use. AD5X 3D printer can reach up to 600 mm per second travel speed and 20 meters per square second acceleration. With 300 degrees Celsius high temp nozzle and 32 mm superscript 3/S large flow hot end will greatly shorten the waiting time for printing, easily achieve multicolor printing for flexible TPU, carbon fiber filament, PLA, and PTG, etc. FlashForge AD5X 3D printer integrates key features that one-click auto leveling, vibration compensation, resume printing, and filament detection will reduce waste and improve printing success rate, giving users an efficient and convenient printing experience. With FlashMaker and Orca FlashForge 3D Printer AD5X allow users manage hundreds of printers remotely, real-time monitoring of print progress, need to add an additional camera kit, adjust parameters, receiving message alerts, and enjoy freedom in managing filament colors and types. Number 2. FlashForge Adventurer 5M 3D Printer. Full auto one-click leveling calibrates and levels the bed properly, making you a perfect first layer for every 3D print. It provides accurate and smooth surface to achieve quality printing performance. Core XY up to 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, maximum speed 600 mm per second. The acceleration from 0 to 600 mm per second takes just 0.025 seconds. From unboxing to starting printing, only 10 minutes, enjoy happy printing every day and great all-around quality. Vibration compensation, eliminating ghosting in prints. Nozzle with a flow of 32 mm superscript 3/S, 50 W heating power, 200 degrees Celsius heating up in 35 seconds. Precise and consistent extrusion for smooth and nobler prints. Eliminate the problem of empty spools during printing. Change filament when empty and resume. Worry-free from a power cutoff, you can resume the print from where it left off. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra S1 3D Printer. Anycubic ACE Pro features 4 slots, effortlessly tackling basic 4-color printing. And when 2 Anycubic ACE Pros are combined, you can then unleash 8-color printing to bring you even more unimaginable possibilities, saving TH. No extra dryer is needed. The ACE Pro fully supports around-the-clock filament drying even during printing to boost efficiency to another level. Up to 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration, Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo 3D printer delivers extremely fast print speeds while maintaining superior accuracy and detail in printing. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo surpasses regular FDM printers, printing 12T. Anycubic Kobra OS includes a flow compensation feature that accurately adjusts filament extrusion, resulting in a smoother and more natural surface on the models. Enhance printing accuracy by effectively minimizing the overflow of material. One-click printing anywhere using your remote devices to start your print process. It supports multi-plate document parsing for more complex printings. Number 4. QIDI Q1 Pro 3D Printer. Stable, Speedy Core XY 3D Printer. Dual Z-axis motors for reliability, no belts. All-metal frame and XY belt self-tightening. TMC 2240 drivers for quiet operation. Speeds up to 600 mm per second, 20,000 mm/s superscript 2 acceleration. Automatic input shaper calibration, fast printing without compromising quality. Automated dual sensors for precise first layers. Hull filament runout sensor at extruder entrance and filament tangle detection, ensuring each successful prints. Q1 Pro can actively heat and regulate the chamber temperature. Fully enclosed, accurately controlled chamber temperature, up to 60 degrees Celsius or 140 degrees Fahrenheit, improves print quality and layer adhesion, especially for filaments prone to warping such as ABS, PA, and PCE. From unboxing to printing in just 10 minutes, easy for beginners, home use, and educational applications. Come with 1080p HD camera, mobile app remote control, 32G eMMC large internal storage. Based on Kipper, powerful, completely open source, support for custom optimization. Number 5. Anycubic Kobra S1 Speedy 3D Printer. Features a full metal hot end capable of reaching a peak temperature of 320 degrees Celsius. A benchy can be completed in 15 minutes with 600 mm per second ultra-high speed to save your time. Its hotbed can consistently maintain a maximum temperature of 120 degrees Celsius, enabling effortless printing of filaments such as ABS, ASA, and other materials. Fully enclosed Core XY construction with 250 by 250 by 250 mm size Kobra OS system and cooling system minimize vibrations and enhance the responsiveness to improve the quality of printing. LeviQ 3.0 auto leveling system allows for effortless automatic bed leveling. Resonance compensation and flow correction eliminate resonance patterns in all models and enhance printing accuracy. And AI monitoring ensures smooth operation. The built-in camera can achieve AI monitoring, belt tension monitoring, and seamless operation. Instantly detects and alerts you to anomalies such as spaghetti, ensuring smooth operation. And the low quiet noise is as low as 44 dB. Anycubic Slicer Next is equipped with different specifications and filaments parameter sets. And Anycubic app supports remote control and elapsed time recording. Maker Online offers many free model resources.